In this video, we're going to look at how we can differentiate the following with respect to x. And you can see it's y equals x to the power 13. To achieve this, we'll use the power rule. It says if y equals x to a power of n, then the derivative dy dx is that power n multiplying x with the power being reduced by 1. So we'll look at this with reference to the example that was shown at the beginning of the video, which is coming into view now. We can see that y equals x to the power 13, and we're going to differentiate this. So we have dy dx equals 13, which is the power, multiplying the x, and from the 13 we subtract the 1, and I've put that into brackets to make it clear. Moving on to the next line, we have dy dx equals 13, x to the power 12, where the 12 has come from the subtraction here of 1 from the 13. So we can say for y equals x to the 13, dy dx equals 13 x to the power 12. So to summarize, this 13, which is the power, is brought to here to multiply the x, and then we can see here we subtract 1 from the power of 13, and that's how we ended up with 12 here.